Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from the group 1. I am Indah Amelia and my partner is Erika Desi. In this time, we will tell you about part of speech. And let's start this discussion. Part of speech is a term used in traditional grammar for one of the 8 main categories into which words are classified according to their function in sentences, also known as word classes. These are the building blocks of grammar. First of all is adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe noun or pronouns in these sentences. Ada beberapa macam adjektif. Yang pertama yaitu descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective adalah adjektif yang menerangkan keadaan atau bentuk suatu benda. Contohnya adalah big, small, beautiful, handsome, old, dan young. Contoh kalimatnya adalah I have a beautiful pet. Yang kedua, ada distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives adalah adjectives yang bersifat terbagi-bagi. Contohnya adalah every, each, either, dan neither. Contoh kalimatnya adalah you have to learn English every day. Yang ketiga, ada demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives adalah adjectives yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu benda. Contohnya, this, that, this, it, and those. Contoh kalimatnya adalah this is my book. Kemudian ada possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives adalah adjectives yang menyatakan atau menunjukkan kepunyaan. Contohnya, my, your, her, dan his. Contoh kalimatnya adalah my favorite color is blue. Selanjutnya ada interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives adalah adjectives yang digunakan untuk menanyakan suatu benda. Contohnya adalah what, which, and whose. Contoh kalimatnya what is it? Dan yang terakhir adalah quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives digunakan untuk menjelaskan jumlah benda. Contohnya a few, a little, much, dan many. Contoh kalimatnya adalah he have much money.
The second discuss is adverb. An adverb is a word that can modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. When an adverb modifies a verb, it tells us how, when, where, why, how often, or how much the action is performed. Beberapa adverb juga memiliki akhiran li. Adverb terbagi ke dalam beberapa jenis, yaitu adverb of time, yang digunakan untuk menjawab semua pertanyaan yang diawali dengan when. Contohnya, yesterday, today, tonight, now, and last year. Contoh kalimatnya, he will come tomorrow. Yang kedua, adverb of place. Adverb of place tell us where something happens. Seperti here, there, around, down, dan in. Contoh kalimatnya, everything started here. Kemudian yang ketiga, ada adverbs of manner. Adverb of manners tell us how something happens. For example, quickly, softly, well, loudly. Contoh kalimatnya, he screamed loudly. Yang keempat, adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us intensity of something. The words to, enough, very, and extremely are examples of adverbs of degree. Contoh kalimatnya, you are running too slowly.
And then, adjective and adverb phrase. First, let's check the difference between adjective and adverb phrase. An adjective phrase is one that describes or modifies a noun. It always has an adjective acting as the head. An adverb phrase is one that modifies a verb and consists of one or more words. Let's check this sample for adjective phrase. First sentence is, that soup is pretty cold. And second sentence is, many of the exercises are fairly difficult. And the example for adverb phrase are, first sentence, time goes very quickly. Second sentence, the day passed quickly enough. And last sentence is, this works really well.
Let's discuss is noun modifiers. Noun modifiers adalah noun atau kata benda yang memodifikasi kata benda lain. Kata benda di sini berperan seperti kata sifat yang diletakkan sebelum kata benda yang ingin dimodifikasi. Contohnya, a family car, a diamond ring, strawberry ice cream, art school. Contoh kalimat, I want to go to the art school. He sell his family car. She gave me a diamond ring yesterday. That's all from us. Please give us some critics, suggestions, and questions at the comment section. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.